There's 40 little Joy's babies. They are doing so good. Here comes 2 more. Oh my goodness, we got 1 more that's still outside. They are doing so good at learning to use doggy door. Oh, do I hear the other one coming? Oh my goodness, I'm gonna have to go hit the door. Okay, so go tell your little sissy. Okay, here's some more. I got Becky in here so then they won't be clamoring to see me so much. Do you see Becky? We got everybody. You want to pick some up? Just show them around. We won't try to figure it out. Oh, they say good morning, everybody. We just happy little babies. Becky's going back to college. And so we're saying bye-bye, Becky. Oh, my goodness. They still have some dinner left over. Uh-huh.
They're not very hungry?
Or maybe they're not too hungry. They've been waiting for Mommy. They'll be ready for their 7-week checkup. Probably while we're gone, but I'll have to do it when we get back. It's going to be a little bit late on them, but that's okay.
You are a little tiny one. Oh, you're a tiny skin. You're a baby.
I know. You're a sweetheart. If that's a little girl, it's Crystal. If it's a little boy, it's Boise.
It's a little girl.
Then that's little Crystal. She's the smallest little girl.
She's got white on
Oh, okay. That might be Seattle. I don't know if Crystal has that much white. Seattle has the most white.
This is a small girl. No, this is a boy.
Oh, okay. I don't think that one's that small. That's Tacoma. They say we like you, Becky. We like you.
Chew on things.
We like your shoes, Becky.
And my fingers.
And we have happy tails.
Yes, you have happy tails. Look at these
I know.
tails.
Puppy dogs smile with their little sweet baby tails. Oh, goodness, goodness. Goodness, goodness. Ow, 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 ow.